Hi, it's Shane at Boundary Car Care. Today we're fitting a KENWOOD DMX9720XDS to this Toyota Vellfire 2010. This unit has a 10.1 inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can use apps like Spotify. You can use it for Waze and Maps. And then there's a few other apps on there as well that you could use. The unit also has the option to add up to 4 different cameras. On this one we've retained the factory rear and front camera. We've also put a KENWOOD dash camera onto this, which is fully functional through the screen. You can change settings and view back any videos that have been recorded on the camera. You can also wireless mirror onto this screen. It does look a bit funny because I am recording on the phone that I'm mirroring from. You can also connect via HDMI and USB cables, which we've put in the glove box on this one. You could connect Amazon Fire Stick to this and it'll all work through the screen.